A certificate of approval to introduce the test kit that detects antibodies against COVID-19 in saliva sample, which has been developed by scientists of Mongolian National University of Medical Sciences, was handed over to Director of Mongolian National University of Medical Sciences, Huritluatar, and Deputy Director, Batwatar, by Deputy Minister of Health, Batufshing, and Secretary of State of the Ministry of Health, Irtumbilig. The diagnostic kit testing has shown 100% accuracy for its sensitivity and specificity to detect the infection, in addition to its ability to produce the result in a short time or in 90 minutes. Moreover, the sample can be stored for 14 days, and the diagnostic kit costs 2 to 3 times cheaper, or 31,200 tuguks, which is approximately $11. Currently, 4,000 of the newly developed test kits are available, and more equipment is needed for the production of sufficient supplies. If the necessary equipment is introduced, it will be possible to produce 20,000 test kits per day. The development of the diagnostic kit started on December 1st, 2020, and the initial funding was provided by the Ministry of Education and Science. During the handover ceremony, Director of the Mongolian National University of Medical Sciences, Huritluatar, thanked Deputy Prime Minister Amr Sehan and Minister of Health Inchwalt for the great impetus to intensify the development and the introduction of the test kit. The diagnostic kit will be introduced into practice in laboratories starting from April 1st.